Everyone, today is Tuesday. Ngayon lang kami go-grocery shopping because we don't want to do it on the weekends because maraming tao. Masyadong maraming tao dito sa Vancouver. So Tuesday after work, medyo okay. So ngayon namin siya gagawin. Usually on a weekday or like Friday night or something. But yeah, I don't know where my wallet is, so Kat is just looking for it upstairs, and then I will go to the front sa taas, tapos dun na siya sasakay. Anyways, I'm gonna drive now, so I don't know how to get rid of this. It says maintenance oil and filter, but we already got maintenance done. I think they were supposed to reset that, but they didn't. I don't know. I don't want to go back there because it's in Richmond and that's like a 25-minute drive and it's too long, guys. Anyways, I'm tired. It's really rainy. It's only 5 and it's super dark outside, so it's draining. Anyways, I will go to the front now and meet Kat. And then we're gonna go grocery shopping. We're probably gonna go to a bunch of places because we're trying to get the most out of our money because, you know, inflation. But anyways, I'm gonna go. Alright, bye. BRB. And guys, it's super rainy and dark already. 5:04. Kanina nung naglalakad kami pa uwi, naka-on na yung mga street lights. It's so funny because it's already so dark. But yeah, ayan, maulan pa. So aside from dark, it's wet and rainy and sad. So unless you're one of those people who really like rain, then you will thrive. Anyways, pantay ko lang sikat. It's night.
Andito tayo sa loob ng Price Mart. Ayan. So for this week, kailangan natin mag-grocery para sa uulaman natin this week. So kaya andito tayo sa Price Mart. Pero I think hindi lahat ng recados or ng kakailanganin natin ang bibilhin natin dito sa Price Mart. I think kailangan din namin pumunta ng superstore kasi may mga ibang recados din na wala dito, or yung like for example yung kakailanganan namin sa sinigang. I think meron naman siguro dito, pero kasi may mostly I think bibilhin namin dito gulay, di ba? Ano?
Oh, is this ano?
Kangkong.
This is kangkong?
Guys, kung naalala nyo yung vlog namin sa Price Mart sa Richmond, malaki siya compare dito. Andito kami ngayon sa Burnaby na Price Mart. So, mas malaki talaga yung andun sa Richmond. Ayan, no? Ano?
Binili natin na ganito lasa.
Guys, magkakare-kare kami. Pero yung oxtail kasi karamihan sa napuntahan namin mahal masyado. This one, mura na siya. And nakapack na. So, baka bibili kami. Okay. So, kinuha namin yung pinaka mura dun sa mga nakapack. And ito lang yung pinakamura, 17.13. It's good. Okay na siya kasi usually nakikita namin 20 something. And then kumuha din si Kim nitong ground pork na lean kasi para sa
spring roll?
Para sa spring roll. So, okay, maghanap din tayo ng pork para sa sinigang.
How much na?
At 7.13. Yung isa nakita niya is 8.13. 8.13? 8 something. Ito na lang, 7. Para sa sinigang. Guys, tignan nyo to, oh, pork belly. Mga slabs nila. Magkano?
4.29 per pound.
4.29 per pound. Ang mura. Ay, nakita kami yung 14.13. Maganda yan for pork belly, no? Naghahanap din pala kami ngayon ng crab meat, guys, kasi nung napanood nyo yung video namin last time, gumawa si Kim ng sushi bake. And nagustuhan namin. Akala namin hindi namin mauubos pero naubos namin siya. Kaya gagawa ulit si Kim ng big sushi. So, ito na lang. Magkano ba? 5:30? Ano pa naman namin eh. Ganun. Anong tawag nun? I-chop-chop. Tapos parang shred siya.
Okay, so we're done. We paid $34 just for the meats that we bought. So that's
Medyo mahal.
four meats, but I think most of it was because of the oxtail, because the oxtail is pretty pricey, $18. But we never have oxtail, so I guess it's okay.
So guys, magsusuperstore na tayo. Masyadong maulan ngayon. I think all week ata ang ulan. So ganito talaga ang sitwasyon ng Vancouver every winter. And napaka-gloomy. 5:30 pa lang, parang 7 p.m. na, 8 p.m. na. So ayan. Ayan guys, oh, lakas ng ulan. Ayan kung nakikita nyo. Magkatabi lang pala ang ang Superstore at Price Mart dito. So ayan yung Price Mart. Andito ang Superstore. So malapit lang sila. Nasa Metro Town to na Superstore. Sa loob din ng Metro Town meron ding TNT and Walmart. So andito.
Go there. TNT.
Saan?
Sa TNT.
Pupunta daw din pala kami ng TNT kasi may tignan kaming gulay doon na feel namin andun lang talaga siya. So, magpa-park muna tayo, guys.
And we're inside now. And our Superstore. It's inside the mall.
Guys, meron pala kaming ganito. Ginagamit namin for yung
Sa cart.
sa cart.
But it's on sale. Look, oh. 28. There's Cat with the cart. So here's our list. That's what we're gonna get from here. All of that one.
And then garlic muna tayo.
Okay. Green onions are $1.99. It's expensive.
Ayan. Magkano eggplant? $2.49 daw ang eggplant. Yeah. Guys, ang mahal na ng cucumber. Tingnan nyo, dati, ewan ko kung sa pagkaalala ko, $5 lang ata yung bili namin dati nito. Pero ngayon, grabe ka, mahal. Yung lemon, sa last namin na grocery, ganun pa din yung price, $0.99. Ayan. Avocado guys, $1.99. Guys, may nakita kami. Long beans. Yan sana yung pakay namin sa sa TNT. Pero, since meron naman pala dito na lang. Kumuha ka ba?
Yeah. 49 per pound.
Bok choy daw guys, $2.49 per pound. Ayan, kumuha na din kami nung long beans. Maliit lang siya, pero I think okay naman na yan. Doable na. Kuha din pala kami ng luya guys. Tignan natin kung magkano. 98.
This one is still cheap. This one is 79 cents.
Ito daw, 79 cents.
Okay. 7 per pound. But look, it's so big.
197 per pound.
Yeah.
Guys, kumuha na pala si Kim ng ng onions and itong cucumber. Kanina, yung cucumber na maliliit, $7. Ito, $2.49 per pound.
Yeah, this is so expensive.
Gano to?
$6.
$6. Oh my God. May namit pala kaming dito mga Filipino. Bisaya sila. Yung isa Ilocano. Yung isa Tagalog. Ay no, Bisaya. Si Divine at saka si kalimutan ko yung isa. Jeremy? Oo. Kung mapanood niyo tong vlog namin.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. So guys, sa pagtanto namin guys na yung iba namin bibilhin, doon na lang sa Costco. Kasi
Mas mura siguro for the price.
yeah, and also sa dami ng sa laki ng meron sila doon, siguro sulit naman. So mag-switch kami to Costco yung iba namin kailangan. So yung mga main na kinuha namin, ito lang yung mga gulay-gulay talaga, produce. So kaya magbayad na tayo. Yung distilled water na bibilhin namin para to sa
How many should I get?
apat ulit, 'di ba? Apat lagi yung kinukuha natin. Para to sa sipap ni Kim. Kailangan kasi distilled water. So, di ba one something lang to dati?
I'll just get 3. It's too expensive.
Okay. Tatlo kukunin namin. Dati, ito yung kinukuha namin. Pero may isa pa naman siya doon na half. Tatlo lang muna yung kinuha namin. Okay, titignan natin guys kung magkano babayaran natin sa ganito kadaming grocery na bibili namin dito lang sa superstore. Let's see.
That's just our produce.
Produce lang yan guys, 22.52. Wow.
Alright, that's all we got. Mostly produce. And then 3 distilled waters, longanisa, and 3 pancit cantons. And that is $35.62. Pretty pricey now. Alright guys, so our last and final stop is Costco. And we just have a few things to buy there. So hopefully it's only just a few things. Anyways, we don't really need anything else anymore. Because we have everything that we need for whatever we're gonna cook this week, and we're just gonna buy our dinner tonight because it's already 6:15, and well, it's time to eat. I'm really hungry, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna start to drive now. Ang daming mga weirdo dito sa sa Metro Town. Like nag-yell and ewan ko ba. Anyways, so I'm just gonna drive. I'm gonna wait for Kat. She returned the cart. Oh, there she is. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye.
Okay, we have arrived sa Costco. Dito na tayo sa Costco. Ang daming tao. Ulan pa.
We are now at Costco. Right, here we are. There's always so many people at Costco. Kahit na Tuesday ngayon. Costco. It's pretty empty inside, but still so many people. And Kat's gonna go get some chicken. And look at that. She's getting some chicken. There's the chicken. We're gonna go to the tissue paper, which is at the end over there. Ayan, 22 yung ganito, Kirkland brand, and then 19 yung Purex. So we're trying to decide which one we need. We're gonna try this. We keep seeing it, so we're gonna try it. Nagsasal na pala ang Costco ng hopya, pero durian. Durian flavor. Peanut butter is $8.89 here. But our superstore, it's how much?
$10.
$1. So it's pretty good here. And this is the big one. The big.
I just need the oil.
Yeah. So we got some
Is there not?
Tim Hortons and taste test ones from the Tita girl right there. Anyways, we're looking for oil. Here's oil, $11.99. This one is kind of expensive. Okay, we are finally done with our grocery shopping trip for this week and a little bit of next week. So yeah, we're gonna go home now. It's still so rainy. Okay.
What time is it?
It's 7:19 now. Spent 2 hours grocery shopping. Okay, bye. Okay, we're home. Gonna put stuff away.
$2,000 years later.
Alright guys, tatapusin na natin yung video na to kasi medyo mahaba-haba na rin, no? At saka late na din ng gabi. So, medyo masakit talaga sa bulsa yung nangyari namin pag-grocery kanina kasi isang gabi lang parang nakagastos kami ng more than 100, mga 100-ish para sa grocery. Pero, syempre lahat naman kasi nagtaas na yung mga bilihin ngayon. So, hindi na kami magtataka. Medyo masakit lang talaga isipin na ang mahal ng mga bilihin na ngayon. Also, kumain na din kami. Yung binili namin kaninang chicken sa Costco. Kinain namin, tapos binaon ko para lunch bukas. And then, nag-swimming kami. Nag-swimming kami kanina ni Kim para ma-relax naman yung mga katawan namin and everything. So, ano pa ba? Si Kim nakahiga na eh. Medyo inaantok na daw siya. So, I think yun na yun. Maraming salamat sa panonood, guys. And, maraming salamat sa mga nanonood sa amin at nag-subscribe. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo, guys! So, bago namin makalimutan, magko-quick shoutout lang tayo sa mga friends natin dyan. So, shoutout sa iyo, Mongski.
Not that they asked. They didn't ask, but...
Well, yeah, not that you guys asked. But of course, syempre, mapapasalamatin kami. Paano ba yun? Mapapasalamatin. Very grateful kami and very thankful kami sa inyo, guys. So, we'll do a shoutout kahit ayaw nyo. So, shoutout sa iyo, Mongski. Shoutout din kay Pinoy Eats. Maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagko-comment. Sherwin Go, hi! Thank you so much for watching. Ang sakit ng dila ko. CD, Frankie. Sino pa ba? I am Sweet Vlog. Of course, I am Sweet Vlog. Laging present yan sa mga vlogs natin. Nick Manzo. Sino pa?
Si Nick Manzo yung nagtanong kung ano daw job mo.
Nick Manzo. Hi, maraming salamat sa panonood. So, to answer your question, nag-work ako sa isang investment firm, finance industry. And, yeah, nasa isang investment firm ako nag-work dito sa Vancouver. Also, Free Fire. Sino pa ba to? At saka si Dodong Nante and si... Guys, oh my God, hindi kami makapaniwala. Jerry De Guzman. Jerry De Guzman, oh my God. You the best. Hi, and maraming salamat sa pag-subscribe mo. Very, nakakaya naman. Very, thank you ng sobra sa'yo, sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe natin sa atin, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa amin, sa mga silent viewers, thank you pa din sa inyo. Pero, guys, yun naman subscribe. Subscribe na kayo, guys. Huwag kayong mahiya. Promise. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And good night na din. Mag-ingat kayong lahat lagi.
See you next week.
See you next week, guys. Good night!